Welcome to Journey to Justice, Real Stories, Real Results with Montlick. Hear from esteemed broadcast journalist Monica Kaufman Pearson as she hosts an important roundtable discussion on what you need to do to win your case if you or a loved one are ever injured in an accident.
So once you decide to go to trial, how do you prepare for it to get the best outcome for your client?
While most cases do not have to go to trial, it's important that you prepare each case as if it will go to trial. So you want to make sure your law firm is preparing to investigate, gather evidence, gather facts that could be used 3, 4, or 5 years later if a trial has to go forward, because after a certain point, you can't get that evidence. If you decide you want to file a lawsuit 2 years after your injury, if your lawyer didn't really prepare the case for that, you're in a world of hurt. You have no leverage at that point to really win.
And we get to a point in a case where we have to make that decision whether or not it makes sense to go to trial. And so giving the client the options, and that does involve explaining the upsides and the downsides. We have to sort of step on the other side and play devil's advocate. These are the things that the defense lawyer is going to try to use against you to lower the value of the case. But these are the things that we have in our favor. We also look at what are the expenses involved in depositions and taking the case forward so that ultimately the client can make an informed decision, and we're able to give them that advice and expertise to know which way is the best for them.
Thank you so much, the Montlick Injury attorneys, for the information they provided so that you can make good decisions if you're involved in an accident. Thanks for joining us.
Journey to Justice, Real Stories, Real Results with Montlick is presented by Montlick Injury Attorneys. If you need help after an accident, call #WIN from your cell phone. That's #946.